welcome back to our video tutorial for making games with Unity. So on the last video, we show you on how to create your first empty project with Unity, and then we show you on how to organize your folder into this. So right now we're seeing the last project that we have. So on the last video, we told you that we are going to explain this tool. So this tool is hand tool, move tool, rotate tool, and scale tool, and this is the rect tool. Usually this tool is the tool that you're going to use most of the time when you're modifying your 3D or 2D object. So for now we're going to use some of them. Right now I plan to create a simple UI for our first simple project. So if you haven't opened your last project that you created, open it, and then let's start adding some UI to your project so that we can see something, because right now it's just empty. So in here, in the hierarchy window, we're going to create our first UI. But first, before we add that, I suggest that you click File, then New Scene, and that's how you create a new scene. But right now it's not saved yet, so all you have to do is go to File, click Save As, look for our first project folder and choose the scenes, and then name it like My First Demo. Alright, that's our My First Demo. So you see that it's already saved because it has some name here and some name here. So yeah, that's a clue that it's already saved. Alright, now that we save it, we can click the asset here and we can safely delete the scenes here. This is the scene folder that is created by Unity by default. So we have our clean project now with a scenes folder. If you check here on our project view and click this one, you can browse the content of your folder. In our case, we get the My First Demo here. Alright, we can click this one so that it will open, but it's already open, so yeah, it will not work like that. So in your hierarchy view, you can just right click UI, then click the panel, and then if you double click your canvas, you'll see that you get some background here. So this is the representation of your UI. So yeah, it has something like this. And then you can click the canvas panel, then right click UI, then choose text using the Text Mesh Pro. Usually you can choose the normal text, but I suggest that you choose the text that is using the Text Mesh Pro because it is more optimized. When I say optimized, this version of text is faster for the process of your application or game. It means it will take less resources. Imagine you have thousands of text or hundreds or a lot of them. It will take some process. It will take a lot of battery on your mobile phone if you're running it. But for this type of demo, because we only have one, it's okay to choose that. But we're going to make our project start from a good state so that we can start it the right way. So this text mesh, we're going to change it to something like game title, and then we can change the alignment. Go to the alignment of that text, go to the center, so it's both center now. And then we can change the color by going to vertex color here. I'm going to choose black, and then see here the text is kind of like reverse. You can click this one and then you'll see it in front right now. And then usually I always name my object so that it will be organized. Game title text. Alright, we got a game title text here, and then I want to move it up. So right now you see this arrow going up. We're actually, when we select an object, it's instantly using this is the move tool. So imagine, not imagine, see this, I will move it up, but right now you see that it moves the whole thing. You know why? Because I click the panel, and that's not the right thing to do. You can click Control Z, click the text that you wanted to move, and then you'll see this arrow, and make sure that the move tool is selected, and then you can drag it. See? Yeah, so the game title is already placed at the top most of your UI funnel. And then after the title, yeah, I'm going to also add some button. So click the UI, first click the panel, make sure that you click it, right click UI, and then you can choose the button. Yeah, button has also two versions, the one with the using the normal text and the one that using the Text Mesh Pro. Always choose the Text Mesh Pro. Yeah, it will make your game, yeah, light and faster. So we're gonna change the caption or the text inside the button to start, because this is our start button, and then change the name of the actual button to start button so that it's proper. And then yeah, our start button looks really small, so we can click it. For now, we're gonna choose the rectangle. Rectangle is used for adjusting the size or the scale of our object, especially UI. Click it, and now we can drag this side and this side or this side. So you see that it's adjusting. You can also see it on your game view. And then after we adjust it to the size that we wanted, we can just click this or click this, click the start button here. We can just, or from here, right, we're here, you can select the move tool here, you can drag it down, and there you go. You can actually test it by clicking the play button here. See, you can actually click the button, but of course nothing is happening because we haven't put any codes or scripts on our project. But it's a good start. At least we got a UI now with a title and a button. At least we're seeing that our project is finally, yeah, starting out. And of course, after the changes, don't forget to hit File and then Save or Control S. You see the shortcut here? You can use them to make your work faster. So, but now I'll just click File and then Save. Then it will be saved. And then, if you want to try this out, we can try it. Actually, you can click the File, go to Build Settings. So if you want to try your first simple project, you need to make sure that you open your scene, and this is your scene. Go to the File, Build Settings, and then see here, it doesn't have any scenes in the build. So if you build your project without any scenes, it won't show anything. So right now, make sure that you are currently on your scene, and go to File, Build Settings, and click this Add Open Scenes. It means it will add any open scenes that you have. So let's click it, and there we have it. We have our first demo in our build settings. It means that if we build this project now, it will build with this demo scene that we have right now. So you can easily go to build. The build will just build the project. The build and run will build and run the project. So let's choose build and run. So click it, and then go to your project folder. You can create the folder inside, but for me, when I'm creating a build, I'm always creating it outside relative to my project folder. So here I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to make it build, and then inside that build I'm gonna make a folder called PC, because in Unity you can build for different or multiple platforms like Android, iOS, PC, Mac, Linux. There's a lot of platforms, so you need to organize your things in the store. So for now we are building the PC version, so select that, and then the Unity will just build it and just wait for it. It will build and run it. Of course it needs to build it first before it runs it. And now see our first simple project in our screen. It's like, wow, yeah, he actually created your first application. Simple one, nothing is happening, but it's a good start. At least you get the feeling now that this is how you're gonna work inside Unity, and it's been clicking it. Alright, so to exit that, you can click Alt F4, or you can just that's a password that I know. So for a recap, we choose, actually we didn't choose, it's default that the first platform is PC, but you can always switch to different platform. For example, Android, you can click that and click the switch platform. Actually, I'm going to do that, and then yeah, just wait for it. It will, yeah, there's a warning for that. If you're switching, it will take some time. For example, you have a big project, it will take a really long time if you switch projects. So that's a warning. So right now we're in Android. So in here, if you click the game view, you'll notice that it has different sizes of the screen, so that you can emulate the screen size of Android device. But for now, that's all. I'm going to go back to PC version so that it will be simple for our next video, so that we'll focus on one platform first. Alright, so we are in the PC platform again. I just click the PC here and switch, and then voila, we are on our first platform, the PC version. So I guess that's all for today. I'm going to show you the next things on our next video, like this hand tool, the rotation, the scale tool. At least we know now how to use move tool and the rect tool for manipulating our our first UI object. At least you know now on how to add text button on a UI panel inside Unity, and that's a great start. Always make sure to click file then save, so that whatever changes that we made, it's saved. We also know how to build now by choosing build settings and adding our current scene, and then build and run it. And there you have it, our first simple project with Unity. So at least we're seeing that, yeah, there's our changes in our project right now. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this tutorial interesting. I hope you didn't get bored, but this is the basics, so we need to learn the basic first before we move on different things. We need to learn how to walk first before we run, right? So yeah, thanks for watching. If you forget to subscribe, please do it now. Subscribe, and please also hit that notification bell, because it will tell you that I have uploaded a new video. So I hope that it shows you some ideas on how to actually create a simple UI for your project. So guys, see you for the next video. See you in next video, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye guys.